When it comes to securing your home in Washington, D.C., many homeowners focus on installing alarm systems, security cameras, and reinforced doors. However, an often overlooked yet critical aspect of home security is window installation. Your windows are one of the most vulnerable points of entry for intruders, and having them professionally installed can significantly enhance the safety of your home. Professional window installation offers numerous benefits that go beyond aesthetic improvements or energy efficiency. It directly contributes to home security. Whether you're upgrading your old windows or replacing broken ones, here's how professional window installation can have a profound impact on your home's security in Washington, D.C. Stronger and more secure materials. Older windows can be easily compromised by burglars who are looking for the weakest point of entry. Windows with deteriorated frames, broken locks, or thin, single-pane glass can give an intruder easy access to your home. When you opt for professional window installation, you have access to stronger, more secure materials that will make your windows far more resistant to break-ins. Double or triple pane glass. Modern windows often feature double or triple glazing with insulating gas layers, making them much harder to break than older single-pane glass windows. This provides an added layer of protection against forced entry. Reinforced frames. Professional installers often use fiberglass or composite frames that are far more durable than wood or aluminum, offering better resistance to being pried open. By installing these stronger materials, professional window installation ensures that your windows are not an easy point of entry for burglars. Upgraded locking systems. The lock mechanisms on older windows can wear out over time, making them easy to tamper with or break. Professional window installation services come equipped with the latest security locking systems designed to keep intruders out. These upgraded locks can provide significantly better security than the outdated or standard locks found on older windows. Multi-point locking systems. These are advanced locking systems that engage multiple points along the frame of the window, making it much harder for burglars to force the window open. They provide superior protection compared to the traditional single-point locks on older windows. Keyed locks and latches. Professional window installers can also install keyed locks or latch locks on windows that are frequently left open or accessible from the outside, adding an extra layer of security. The installation of modern, high-quality locks ensures that your windows are not only secure but also difficult to tamper with, greatly enhancing your home's overall security. Impact-resistant glass for added protection. If you're looking for a more advanced option to enhance your home's security, impact-resistant glass should be at the top of your list. Professional window installation can offer impact-resistant or laminated glass that is specifically designed to withstand breakage from external forces, including break-ins and severe weather events. Laminated glass. This type of glass contains a plastic layer between two panes of glass, preventing the glass from shattering completely even if it's struck. This added layer makes it far more difficult for an intruder to gain access through your windows, giving you more time to react or for authorities to respond. Shatterproof glass. Some modern windows are designed with glass that resists cracking or breaking even under intense pressure, making them ideal for high security areas in your home. Choosing impact-resistant glass during your window replacement adds an extra layer of defense, preventing would-be burglars from gaining easy access to your home. Proper installation and sealant. Even the best windows and locks can be ineffective if they're not installed properly. A professional window installation ensures that your windows are not only functional but also sealed correctly to prevent drafts, water leaks, and unauthorized access. Gaps or poor installation can provide a perfect opportunity for an intruder to bypass a window's security features. Tight seals. Professional installers make sure that the window is installed with a tight, secure seal around the frame, which prevents burglars from using tools to pry open the window. Precision fitting. When windows are correctly fitted into the frame, they are much harder to open without the proper key or tool, making it more challenging for intruders to break in. Professional installation ensures that your windows are securely installed, leaving no weak points for burglars to exploit. Improved visibility and natural surveillance. In many neighborhoods in Washington, D.C., visibility plays a crucial role in deterring crime. If your windows are blocked by overgrown landscaping, heavy curtains, or poor placement, they may provide an easy opportunity for criminals to enter without being seen. When you choose professional window installation, you can opt for larger windows or windows with clearer, unobstructed views that increase visibility both inside and outside of your home. Better visibility means that neighbors or passers-by are more likely to notice suspicious activity around your property, deterring potential criminals. Larger windows. Installing larger windows or strategically placing windows that allow for greater visibility around your home can discourage criminals who prefer to operate in concealed areas. Long-term value and peace of mind. While investing in professional window installation may seem costly initially, the peace of mind it provides in terms of security is invaluable. A professionally installed window enhances not only your home's security but also its value. Buyers are often attracted to homes with high-quality windows that offer better protection, and these windows can contribute to your home's long-term value. Additionally, knowing that your windows are equipped with strong materials, advanced locks, and impact-resistant glass gives you peace of mind that your home is safer for you and your family. You can rest easy knowing that your property is protected and that you've made a long-term investment in your home's security. Conclusion. Professional window installation is a critical aspect of home security in Washington, D.C. Whether you're looking to enhance your windows' strength, improve their lock systems, or install impact-resistant glass, upgrading to modern windows with professional installation can significantly boost your home's security. Not only will your windows be more difficult to break into, but they'll also contribute to a safer, more secure living environment for you and your family. Don't underestimate the power of a well-installed window. It's one of the first lines of defense in keeping your home secure.